Happy good morning, Scoper Squad, and welcome back to HopeScope. I don't think I have ever been so excited for a video in my life. I've also never filmed a video this early in the morning before. I feel raspy. It's like 7 a.m. Okay, look, if you're new around here, hello, I'm HopeScope, your legging queen. This is my co-host, Leo. You're your number one source for all things fit fashion. Now that we've been formally introduced, I need to explain to you guys where my passion for fashion came from. It was Barbies, specifically these Barbies. I had the BRATZ PlayStation game. I played that well into my teens. So needless to say, when the makeup community decided to make this BRATZ doll challenge a thing, I was stoked. And then when I discovered that they make fitness BRATZ dolls, I was even more stoked. As you have probably deduced from this intro and from the title of this video, I got one. So I'm gonna unbox this little doll, and then I'm gonna unbox the matching outfit, and we're gonna put it on, and we're gonna go to the gym together. Me and the doll. Me, 24-year-old woman, and the doll. Okay, before we get too far into this video, a quick message from our sponsors today. One of my absolute favorite apps, Poshmark. If you guys have been following me for a while, you have heard about Poshmark a lot because I use it a lot. I have a problem called I shop too much. So a lot of my gently used or brand new stuff ends up on Poshmark. I don't even remember buying this. I must have blacked out for this one. Poshmark has thousands of your favorite brands on there for awesome prices, and you can make pretty good money selling your used clothes on there. You guys want to see something ridiculous? Okay, keep in mind I've had Poshmark for literally like 6 or 7 years, but still almost $9,000. That is how much I've made on Poshmark. Anyway, so I just uploaded a ton of new activewear listings if you want to go check it out. My closet name is ClosetofHope. Also, comment your Poshmark usernames down below because I'm going to follow some of you back, and also share as many of your closets as I can. Click the link down below right in the top of the description box to download the app. I promise you're going to love it. Now back to your featured HopeScope. I found this on eBay and it was only like $11. Look how cute she is. Of course I picked Chloe. Blonde hair, blue eyes, you know. Even though Yasmin was actually my favorite girl growing up, there's just no physical resemblance, unfortunately. So this is actually a hiking Barbie, but we're not gonna do that. We're going to the gym. The nostalgia is real. Wait, you can't eat Chloe. You can't eat her. We're just gonna rip her out. Wait, you are all up in my Barbie business right now? Oh, look at her. Leo, no. Leo! One of the only reasons that I liked the Mycene dolls better than the BRATZ dolls is because this situation's a little weird if you ask me. Okay, outfit tour. So she has this cute little t-shirt and what looks like a sports bra for the top of it. And then some cute little camo joggers, some big chunky socks, and blue sneakers. We're gonna need to make one slight adjustment to her though. My hair isn't this blonde. We're gonna take some L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up. Kinda worked. So I pretty much had to, oh, we didn't talk about her accessories. This cute little pink visor. I think this is dry. Oh gosh, nice. She came with a little camo canteen, and then this is how I knew that this was the doll for me. She has a vlogging camera and a green backpack. I don't think I have a green backpack. Maybe we just won't use the backpack. Okay, you guys want to see what I got to match her? Yeah, you do. Leo, what do you have? This not for puppy. As for the stuff I already have. Okay, I have a couple choices for blue shoes. I'm leaning towards these guys because I think they'll look cutest with the outfit as a whole. And then the other thing that I already have is, where's it? Oh, there's the guy. I have this sports bra from Glider that is kind of chunky and has that center cutout just like hers does. And then the rest of the stuff I had to order. Hey, you're in my spot. Can you just scoot? Let's start with the pants. I searched a lot of different places for these pants. H&M, Forever 21, and I finally found the perfect match on Fashion Nova. At least online they looked like they were gonna be the perfect match. Oh yeah. Cargo camo joggers. Oh, these are gonna be a pain to work out in. I thought they were gonna be like sweats material. They're like cargo material. I don't think this could have been a more perfect match. Other than the drawstring isn't black. Okay, the rest of the stuff I got from Amazon. This little number, I'm a little concerned about this one. Does it look like a flask? Because I was just gonna put my, you know, like BCAAs in it, but I've almost gotten kicked out of my gym so many times, and this might be the day. For some reason, it was so hard to find a little light blue cropped t-shirt that's fitted. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. I got an extra small so that it would be super fitted. I do not have socks that look like that, so I had to get some of these canes, and then our final accessory. It's actually a poker visor. There's our finished outfit. I feel like I need to fix my makeup look, get some peachy lip gloss and some freckles and some freckles up in here. The heck am I gonna use for freckles? Oh, brow pencil, duh. Maybe I'll mix this with this and see what happens. I've never done this whole faux freckles trend. Okay, here we go. Not my best work, but I feel like from a distance it doesn't look half bad. Oh, this could be a disaster. All right, so we got this guy, and then I feel like we're just gonna need the tiniest bit of this one. That is orange. Oh, it's kind of cute. Thank goodness for picking a doll with a subtle makeup look. Well, let's put the outfit on, shall we? The outfit is on, and I don't think this could have turned out any more perfect. But before I do the final reveal, I gotta do my hair. Oh yeah, this is everything. Okay, you guys will see the outfit. It's kind of adorable. And these pants are low-key so comfy. Oh, this is so fun. Lee, are you reaching accessories again? Okay, let's go to the gym. What do you think of my gym look? Well, go put pants on and then you can. This is the inspiration.
Wow, look at the resemblance.
So we're taking her to the gym with us.
Oh, good.
Okay, here's the thing. I was gonna put like BCAAs in this and take it to drink. Does it look like a flask?
No, I think you should put,
You think they won't get mad? Okay. I opted not to bring her accessories because I think they will get lost and that would be really sad. All right, to get hyped for the gym, we're gonna try to find some BRATZ songs. They have full like albums. They're all gold. This is it. This was the banger when I was like 12. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I get copyrighted. This gym hates me. All right, we got past security at the front desk, but I'm getting a lot of weird looks. I haven't even taken off my coat yet. We're gonna put her right there. Where am I gonna put this thing? There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take this off because it's driving me crazy. Told me I can't wear just a sports bra to the gym, so maybe I'll make this my new look. Well, nobody said anything, but I got a lot of dirty looks. Anyway, BRATZ are all about expressing yourself, and I feel like we did that today to the fullest extent. That is what clothes should be, and that's what activewear should be, in my opinion. Who cares what's trendy? Who cares what's flattering? I say, wear what makes you happy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like if you liked it. And Leo and I will see you in the next video. We gotta go home and get Leo in this. End the video without him. Okay, Katie, say bye, YouTube.